Hey guys, this video will teach you how to start tag recognition in terminal. You need to connect rover first. Okay, open terminal. Input the command to enter game. The command needs to be case sensitive. Pressing tab key can fail the keyword. Okay, press enter. The camera needs to be used to recognize tag, so enable the image transmitting function. There's two ways. Open a new terminal. Here I will use RQT tool as example. And the command to start RQT tool. Subscribe this topic and others do not need to modify. Then return to terminal for starting game. Go on entering command to start game. If using tab key to found keyword, the command here will default to false. In the meantime, you need to change false to true and press enter. Now look at the performance. If you want to stop game, enter the following command and press enter. If you want to exit this game, enter this command and press enter. Before exiting game, Raspberry Pi memories will be occupied. So if you want to start another game, you need to exit this game first. Okay, back to the terminal for opening RQT tool. Press Ctrl+C to close image transmitted function. If failed to close, please try several times. Okay, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.